Hi everyone, it's Karen Jean, Sleepers Crafts. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to continue on with our Vivaldi Spring Journal, the first one in the series that we're working on. But I did want to share something with you, which I thought was just so absolutely sweet. Remember when we did the recipe book, the recipe journal, and I was just absolutely in love with that journal, but I decided that I was making it for Becky over at Acre Homestead. And so I finished that all up and I sent that out to her. Now I do this, I don't want to say I do it frequently, but I've done it a few times. Well, I got a thank you card from Becky in the mail for the book, which is just so nice. I'm taken aback actually, simply because of the her politeness to what's the word I'm looking for? To acknowledge, that's the word. Her politeness to acknowledge that she received the book. I appreciate that. So thank you, Becky. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this end piece of your pregnancy will be short-lived and soon you will be holding that beautiful baby and a whole new life is going to unfold. But thank you. And now let's get on to our journal.